Hello everyone, you are watching Fireskull Tech. Today I will be showing you how you can troubleshoot the USB drive unknown storage issue. Let me show you how the problem looks like. This is my USB drive and showing please insert a disk for this volume. While I am trying to format the drive, it's showing the unknown capacity. Now to solve this issue, open command prompt window by searching cmd and typing the command diskpart. And write list disk. This will show you all the drives connected in this machine. My pen drive is this 14 gigs disk 2, so I have to select disk 2 and write a command create partition primary. As soon as I create the partition primary and format the disk, here the unknown capacity has been replaced with the capacity of my pen drive, and on formatting the pen drive will be usable again. The command required will be given in the description of the video. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe, like, comment. If you have any query, write down in the comment of the video.